Quickly just wanted to hop in here and say a huge thank you to Hollister for sponsoring this video, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. Hey guys, as you can see, I've changed. I'm now on top of my bed. I'm so excited to show you guys a bunch of new items that I just got from Hollister. As you can see with my outfit, I am all decked out in fall. I'm so ready for it. Even though I'm in California now and we don't really experience fall that much, I'm still here for it. It's a little cooler and I cannot wait to wear sweaters and such cozy things. Also, coming with fall season is gift giving season and Christmas season, and Hollister has absolutely got you with this because this year Hollister is introducing Hollister's Feel Lab. Hollister has created the perfect gift giving lab formulated solely around the feeling that you want to give others, which makes it so easy to give the perfect gift. All these gifts are scientifically engineered right around the feeling that you want to give someone. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the items that I picked up from Hollister, and a lot of them would make perfect gifts, so make sure to stay tuned. Of course, I'm going to be trying all these things on as well. First off, I'm wearing two of the items right now. I have this super cozy sweater, and it's also like a little mock neck. I like that it's not a turtleneck, or else I feel like it kind of swallows you, but it still keeps you warm. It still keeps your neck warm if you go out. I don't know why I can't speak. I also like, you'll see it in the I just can't talk right now. You'll see it on the try on, but like I tucked it into my bra a little bit so that I can wear it while it's still a little warmer out. And then for these pants, they're so thick and soft. I just don't know materials. I can't really help you, but Hollister has so many amazing fall patterns. Like these ones, I am in love with this plaid like tone. It's like a brownish, a warm brown, and then like navy, and then it has this cool teal in it, which is pretty unique. Absolutely love them. It also has like a built-in little belt thing, and it's like cinched. It has pockets. It's really fitted, nice, but they're still really comfy and spacious. Next off, let's just grab from this pile. I'm so excited. I absolutely love winter and fall fashion. I got another sweater. This one is, okay, I don't want to say softer, but it's a different material. It's actual like fuzzy material. So soft. This is also really cool because it's reversible. So the front just looks normal, but the back is like party, dude. It's like a little twist, really cool. Kind of reminds me of like a butterfly somehow, but you could also wear this in the front. Even this would look great with these pants, but I think this would also look super cute with like any kind of skirt. The same thing goes for this. Like I could totally wear this to bed and it would be amazing because it's just so soft. And I got this in a light gray color. Next off, it's kind of in between a flannel and a jacket. I feel like it's a lot thicker than a flannel, which I actually like because I can use this as a cover up, kind of like a beige and a gray, which I really like. This is a boyfriend fit. I don't know what that means, if it looks like it's my boyfriend's, but whatever. I got it in a medium because I love oversized jackets and just throwing them on with anything. It also has pockets, which is such a step up from normal flannels, so I absolutely love this. Then I got another plaid material, but it's a different plaid, okay? So that's fine. I've just been obsessed with plaid recently, but this is a dress, which I'm so excited for. I love this because just the plaid in itself looks great, but you can also layer this over like a turtleneck or a t-shirt or anything like that if you want to be a little bit warmer, or if it's really cold, you could wear it with like some tights and then like a big like warm jacket. But I love this. The material so thick and great. It's also stretchy, if you can tell, which is awesome because we don't want those restricting tight dresses, especially during the fall. Absolutely love this. They also have this in many different patterns, I believe. Then I got another pair of pants. These are their jeans. I love Hollister jeans. They have so many varieties, and what I really love about them is that they have so many different sizes. Not only do they have like a big range of sizes, they also have like slim and regular, and then they also have like petite, short, like people like me, and then they have like longer ones. I'm moving this pillow. It's kind of like throwing me off. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, whatever. But I've been looking for not even like bell bottoms, but like actual flare jeans because they look so good on some people. So I was like, I want to try those out. And Hollister does a great job at coming out with the latest trends and making it very available to you. So one of the stamp of approvals from Hollister's Feel Lab, the Invented to Amp section, which is basically all of the latest styles and trends that you can check out. That's just one example of one of the sections you can check out. They're very groovy. Not even like denim, they're like soft jegging material. They also have some distressing on like the bottom and like the knees, and they're kind of like a medium average denim wash, which I enjoy. And then I have this jacket, a lovely puffer jacket. I wish so bad that I had this in Chicago because I was freezing my butt off, but you know what, it's fine. I'll wear it here. I also like that I got it in brown, which I feel like is a little different for me, but I really like it and I think it'll look very good layered or even by itself. But I already know this thing is so warm. Also, look, it's 100% post-consumer recycled fill. Amazing pockets, it's very fitted. Another section of Hollister's Feel Lab is their engineered for cozy section, and that's basically just like all of their jackets, so you can get one like this. It also comes in different colors. It's engineered to keep you so warm and cozy, especially during this upcoming colder season. And then my last item is another jacket, but this is furry on the outside, but again, it's another like plaid material because I just am obsessed with the plaid apparently. This one is a more, I don't know what to call it. It's almost like a trench coat, but it's like in between trench and flannel. I'm just not sure. I think this would look so good with like some booties, kind of like a chicer, more mature outfit style. I also wish I had this in Chicago, but you know what? It's fine. I am so excited to style all of these items as it gets a little cooler. If you guys want to check out any of these items, you can find them in the links below. Hollister is the perfect place to find any of your Christmas, fall, winter giftings for any of your friends or family, and make sure to check out the Hollister Feel Lab to pick the perfect gift for them. Other than that, I'm gonna get on with the rest of my day/night. I've been spending way too much money on eating out recently. I actually really love cooking, so I've been trying to cook a lot more at home. I like to make like a lot of leftover stuff. I always bring home my leftovers and then I like to elevate it with extra stuff and cook with it. I know it probably doesn't look that pretty, but I'm excited to eat this and I'm gonna watch some videos. And it'll be great. Hi guys, so I just got home. Okay, I'm just gonna chat while I do my laundry. I really apologize for this like off lighting, but you know what, it's nighttime. What can you do about it? Both of my roommates are out of town and I'm home alone. I just went to the Spectrum with some friends. We got boba and just like walked around and stuff, which is nice. I think this is funny. You guys have really just seen me do my laundry full circle. What else do I need to do? Oh, I want to paint my nails really badly. I've been wanting to. Before I go downstairs, I actually really want to do some touch-ups to my room. I dried out a bunch of flowers that I got for my birthday, and if you've seen my room tour, I have a bunch of flowers and stuff all around my room. That I want to treat myself and do a little pamper night. So I'm just gonna do a face mask, I'm gonna do my nails, I'm gonna watch something on Netflix, something fun hopefully. I know my mirror is super dirty. It's because I'm stupid and I tried to clean it with box wipe. I don't know what I was thinking, but beware, I'm gonna look spooky. Can't take myself seriously when I look like this. Now I'm gonna do my nails. I tried to do them last night, but I started them at like 4 a.m. So they clearly didn't work out. So I'm gonna redo it, but like try a little harder this time. Alright guys, I'm taking this off, but basically I just wanted to say, hey. That's pretty much it for my night. I'm gonna keep watching this show and finishing my nails up. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video for my little day in the life and my haul. Huge thank you again to Hollister for sponsoring this video, and make sure to click the links below to check out Hollister's Feel Lab for the perfect gifting experience for this holiday season. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
I know it's getting